So, happy Halloween everyone. I wanted to do a little bit of a short video just because I'm waiting for another video that I'm currently working on. But I thought I'd have a little bit of fun and I just have got a little bit of pumpkin carving now. I'm no good at this. I tend to just sort of wing it as I go, make up as I go along. But yeah, I think these have turned out really well. So I wanted to do a couple of things to pumpkin carving. I wanted to get my logo in there, a tinge of ginge. I wanted to get some form of fish on there just because a lot of my YouTube channel is about fish. And I wanted to get my snakes in there as well, so I went for sort of quite a simple ball python head. And they've all come out really well, to be honest. I'm really happy with the way they look. Didn't take too long to do. I said, I'm not a professional at this. I am just winging it as I go along. But as you can see, they do turn out fairly well in my opinion. I quite like them for what it is. And it was a bit of a rush job. But next year, I'm planning on doing sort of like a whole pumpkin carving. It's like a sort of mural, which should turn out quite well. So yeah, hopefully you can look forward to that, and the video should be released on my YouTube. But thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed.